Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can pin a chat on WhatsApp. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. So here I have my WhatsApp open. And right here, in order to pin a chat, all you need to do, you're gonna hold that specific chat. And right here, you can see we have some options on the top. Now, on the right hand side, we have the first option, which is a pin icon. You just have to tap on that and your chat will be pinned. You can also pin multiple chats like that. And if you want, you can also pin a group as well. And from now and onwards, when you will receive a message, these chats will remain on the top. That's how you can pin a chat on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.